Hi everybody, just another fish tank update. I decided to get a dresser, repurpose it, and this is now what is holding the fish tank on and sturdy, because I noticed that on the pallet bench, I don't know if it was the weight of the water in the tank, but it was slowly falling forward. It was hard to explain, but anyhow, I drained all the water, added all the water back. The 4 angelfish are still around, and now it sits on a dresser, and I can use the dresser for storage, which I deeply needed. And I can also display some of my favorites. This is a sugar skull nativity family that my daughter created, and I can display the jewelry box I made. But this is the update on the tank. And here's my new puppy, Miss Nova. Nova is 8 weeks old, and we went 200 miles to get Nova up at the Mackinac Bridge. It's where we met the breeder. We purchased her sister Natalie, which is with Legacy Neverly, and Nova is my puppy. So the two sisters can grow up together and have their canine time away from humans. Miss Nova's so tired, aren't you, Nova? She received her first haircut today at Dirty Paws Pet Salon in Bay City here. And did I say saloon? Dirty Paws Pet Salon. No, you don't drink, do you? She's tired. It's almost 10 o'clock here, Michigan time. So I just wanted to shoot a quick update on my tank. And it is leveled now. And I really like this in my living room. I didn't think I would like a dresser in my living room, but it does go with my decor. So I work with it. I love my tank. Couple rocks from the Mackinac Bridge when I went up there on Mother's Day. I brought them home and placed it in my fish tank. Of course, right off of Lake Michigan. I'll check in again on the fish tank. Thanks everyone. Subscribe to my channel. I send my blessings out to you, and if you have fur babies, for me and my fur baby.